Ever feel like your phone is judging your music taste while also ruining it with notifications every 10 seconds? Yeah, same. So I went hunting for a dedicated music player and stumbled into the FiiO Snowy disc. And honestly, this thing feels like a time machine that learned Bluetooth. First impression, it looks different. The circular touchscreen gives it that retro meets future vibe, like an old school disc player got a glow up. Navigation is simple, swipe, tap, boom. Album art, lyrics, controls, no messy apps, no distractions. It's built for one job, playing your music. Now let's talk sound because looks don't matter if it sounds like a potato. I tested this with wired headphones and some high quality local files, and the difference from a smartphone is noticeable. Cleaner details, wider sound, and more depth, especially in vocals and instruments. If you actually care about audio quality and not just background noise while scrolling TikTok, you'll hear it. Another big plus, it's great for local music collections. No streaming drama, no buffering, no sorry this song isn't available in your region. Just load your tracks and play. Simple, reliable, peaceful. Connectivity is solid too, works with wired headphones and modern wireless options, so it doesn't trap you in the past, it just borrows the cool parts from it. Now is it perfect? Not fully. If you live entirely on streaming apps and never download music, this might feel unnecessary, and like most niche music players, it's really made for people who actually listen, not just shuffle songs while gaming. So here's the honest verdict, if you want better sound than your phone, love owning your music, and want a stylish little player that focuses purely on listening, the Snowsky disc is a surprisingly strong pick. If music matters to you, this makes sense. If music is just background noise, your phone is probably fine. And hey, if you were searching for a simple distraction-free music player, now you've found one. Stick around for more honest reviews so you don't waste money on hype. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.